Hi guys, welcome back. So we have part 2 of the Lotus Emira upgrades, and on this episode we have the Nitron suspension going on the car. So what we're going to do is get the car in the workshop, we're going to get the factory dampers off of the car, and then we will have them side by side with the Nitron dampers, talk you through some of the differences, get them on the car, and then hand it over to the customer. Okay, so we've removed the factory Lotus / Bilstein suspension from the vehicle, and we've got the Nitron units out beside us. This is the rear, and then this one here is the front. So this car obviously comes to the factory with some higher performance Bilstein dampers, which do give like really nice performance. But the way to think about this is that Lotus, when they originally designed the car, they're designing the car for a very, very broad range of use cases. And as we know from tuning cars in general, that particular use case might not match what you want to use the car for. So this particular customer has been tuning his cars for many years and knows that the handling can be improved rather. And the Nitron's come to market with a very nice kit that's specifically damped and sprung to improve the fast road performance. Other things that are really nice about this Nitron kit, so you've got the rose joints. So on the factory suspension, you have rubber bushes, and the rubber bushes allow quite a lot of deflection, whereas with the rose joints, completely solid, so you won't be able to get any deflection from the dampers. As well as that, you can change the damping as well. So this controls the damping, so you can make it stiffer or make it softer depending on how you want to use the car, what your feeling is. And then also has an adjustable spring perch as well, so you can get the ride height just where you want it, and also corner weight balance the car as well to dial it right in. And then also something that a few other people don't necessarily do is get some nice new OE bolts and nuts from Lotus, so we can make sure all the mounting hardware is nice and new for no potential problems in the future. So nice and simple one on that. Just gonna get this on the car and then over to the customer to enjoy. So we finished off the Nitron suspension install on the Lotus Emira, and as you can see, the car is looking much nicer. We've dropped the car right by around 10 mil front and rear. Doesn't sound like a big difference, but aesthetically it's made a huge difference. So the car not only looks better now, but it's going to drive a lot better with the optimized dampers and spring rates. So just to hand the car over to the customer to enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.